We know it might feel a little bit early, but October is the best time to begin if you'd like your cake to be ready for Christmas. As you can see, Julie and I already made a start on this year's Christmas cake. We always start early because the secret to a beautiful English traditional Christmas cake is time, lots of patience and a little brandy. Where's the bottle? Here's the bottle.
Quite a bit of brandy actually, but obviously if you don't fancy putting alcohol in, you don't have to. It's not necessary, but it does just give it that extra oomph. I like to try and make mine in October, and that gives it lots of time to mature and to absorb all of the brandy, if you're putting it in obviously. And then it's always ready for sort of the last few weeks before Christmas when you can then decorate it.
Last year we filmed the whole process in 3 episodes and you can follow it step by step, but everything starts by soaking some fruit in a lot of brandy.
And that's where the flavour really begins. The brandy will get absorbed up into the fruit and it will plump up and become luscious, and then it will be ready to go in the cake.
Then comes the baking, a rich moist fruit cake, slowly baked for hours until the whole kitchen smells of Christmas.
It's a long bake, but it's worth it. This cake is the foundation for all the marzipan and the icing that comes later.
And finally, the fun part, decorating it with marzipan, royal icing and those festive touches.
I love this part because it's where the cake really comes to life. It's not just baking, it's creating something beautiful for the family. I normally try and start in October, but even if you start in November, you'll still be fine. Just follow along with the 3 episodes and you'll be right there with me.
We'll put those 3 videos in a specific Christmas playlist so that you can easily find and follow them step by step. Also, I will be creating a different playlist containing lots of other Christmas ideas from Italian and Sicilian cooking, starting with desserts, but also first dishes, pasta, and lots of meat and so on.
So if you'd like to bake along with us, you can start anytime now.
And if you have any questions, by all means, just write them in the comments of this video and we'll be very happy to help. Ciao ciao for now!